Good afternoon, boys and girls. Boys and girls, are you ready to learn? Yes, I'm ready to learn. Tell me your three special things. I am kind, I am smart, I am important. Today is a very special day. It's a very special day for two reasons. First of all, I want to say happy birthday to Max, my son. He turned 11 today. April 22nd is also Earth Day. And boys and girls, today it's the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. Every year we celebrate Earth Day to remember ways that we can care and protect our Earth, care for and protect our Earth. So today I'm going to share an informational text with you. I've been reading a lot of fantasy fiction books, but I thought today maybe we should review some ways to help care for our Earth. So let me show you. I'm using the webcam again, so be patient with me here. What we're going to read today is called Take Care of the Earth Every Day. This book was written by Tammy Gagne. She is the author of the book. Something interesting in this book is the table of contents. We learned about the table of contents in kindergarten and talked about it all the time. And we know that when you see a table of contents, you can tell what page numbers the sections of the book are on. So if I don't want to read this entire book, maybe I just want to know how to care for animals and plants. I could look for that subtitle, and then I could look across and find the number, and I would see that that would be on page 15. So the table of contents tells you what the page numbers are for the different sections of the book. And we see table of contents a lot when we use our big books on the easel, and there's two stories in those big books, and it tells us the page numbers. So everybody say table of contents. Good job. Okay, I'm going to read the book to you, and then there's some special words that are in this book that are kind of highlighted that are vocabulary words, and we'll talk about those at the end of the book. Earth is our home. The earth belongs to us all. It is where we live, play, and learn. It is our home. We need to take good care of the earth. Air pollution. Some things pollute the earth. Most cars run on gas. Using gas pollutes the air. Hybrid cars can run on electricity and gas. This is better for the earth. Can you say hybrid car? And down at the bottom it says, let's do it. Walk or ride your bike. This is not bad for the air at all. Recycle. You can recycle to help care for the earth. This uses old items to make new ones. Bottles and jars can be made into new things. It makes less trash, and less trash means less pollution. And boys and girls, if you notice on the blue recycling bin there, the triangular arrows, those stand for reduce, recycle, and reuse. Keep Earth clean. Trash can pollute our water. Then it is not safe to drink. We can help. Clean up litter. This will help keep our water clean. Let's do it. Always put your trash in a bin. Pick up trash you see. Boys and girls, some people like to make a project out of going around and picking up trash, but I just want to remind you that if you choose to do this, be sure to ask your mom or your dad or an adult to help you. And always wear gloves when you're picking up trash. You don't want to get cut from a bottle, or you don't want to touch anything, especially during these times, that may have germs on it. Don't waste food. Food comes from the earth. We must not waste it. Wasted food becomes trash. Always eat what is on your plate. Only take what you need. Care for animals and plants. Animals and plants live here too. Care for all living things. It is part of taking care of the earth. Let's do it. Many animals make their homes in trees, but trees are often cut down. Make a birdhouse. This gives birds a safe place to live. So maybe, boys and girls, during this time that you're home with your families, you could do a project like making a birdhouse. If you have somebody in your family that's good with woodworking, or you could look it up on the internet, and there's probably a tutorial or a YouTube video on how to make a birdhouse, and that would be kind of fun, and it could be a family project. You could even paint it. Work together. And this is Mrs. Lane's favorite animal, panda. Some animals are endangered. They may need our help. Join a club that helps animals. Help save their habitat or home. And we know the word habitat, boys and girls. We learned about that when we read our story about the bear and his den. And a habitat is just a home for an animal or even a person. So what would a habitat for a bird be? Did you say tree or nest? Good job. Plant a tree. Plant a tree to help the earth. Plants and trees can be home for many animals. They also help keep the air clean. How it works. Plants use up a gas called carbon dioxide. Then they put oxygen back in the air. We need this to breathe. So do animals. Earth Day. Earth Day is April 22nd every year. Join in, get a group together, pick up litter, plant trees, have fun taking care of the earth together. There is only one earth. We can all help keep it clean. How do you take care of the earth? So, to summarize the book, boys and girls, here are some things you can do to help the earth and to celebrate Earth Day. Walk or ride your bike. Recycle items you use. Do not litter. Pick up when others litter. Make a birdhouse. And plant a tree. Words to know. Boys and girls, say this word. Carbon dioxide. It's 2 words. Carbon dioxide is a gas that humans and animals breathe out while plants take it in. Repeat this word. Endangered. Endangered means in danger of becoming extinct. Habitat. The place where an animal or plant makes its home. Can you say hybrid car? A hybrid car is a car that can get its power from electricity and gas. Oxygen. Oxygen is a gas that humans and animals need to breathe. Pollute. To make something dirty. Can you say recycle? Recycling is the process when you process old items such as glass, plastic, cans, and paper so they can be used to make new items. All right, sure was fun learning about Earth Day with you today, boys and girls. I need to get going so that I can have Max's birthday cake because the day's almost over already. Boy, it went fast. So I will see you the next time. Have a great night. Bye. Happy Earth Day.